So as a divine goddess, I feel that it is absolutely imperative that you spend time in nature. Nature speaks. Nature calls to you. Nature helps to answer your prayers. Nature helps to get you into alignment with your Creator. Nature helps you connect with your soul. Nature helps you to connect with your thoughts. Nature baptizes you. Nature anoints you. Nature purifies you. So I'm sitting out here in nature, and most importantly, nature calms you down and gives you peace. Let me just show you where I'm at. I'm out here in front of my lake. Nobody's really out here, me and a few others who understand the magic of nature. God created the trees, the birds. I don't know if you can hear like the birds making these different sounds and noises, but this is where you come to create. This is where you come to let go of trauma, disturbances, negative thoughts, negative vibrations. This is where you come to release out into the ethers, release it. And this is where you also come to absorb positivity, positive energy, high vibrations, love, peace, clarity, prosperity, abundance. It's all out here in nature. The grass, as I take off my shoes and plant my feet into the grass, into the ground for grounding. The energy of the ground, the healing properties of the ground, the dirt. It's all here in nature. So if you're a goddess, a divine goddess, a divine feminine, you will feel so much better in nature. If you are having a hard time connecting with the Creator, with the source, with God, if you're having a hard time connecting with your God essence within yourself, come out in nature. This is where I come to pray. This is where I come to meditate. This is where I come to just let go of any limiting beliefs, any stress. This is where I let it all go and I come to absorb. So right now, I'm about to dive in. I've been reading these books, Thought Vibration and Living in the Light by Shakti Garon. I'll put the links down below so you can get a copy of it. But you have to read. You have to expand your mind. You have to expand your consciousness so that you can continue to evolve as a spirit, as a soul, as a human. We are souls living in this human body, experiencing life as a goddess, as a light being. So make sure you take time out of your day to come into nature, come in contact with nature. Don't just come, walk through and leave. No, absorb it. Take it in. Like right now I see a little fly flying over here. Absorb it. Recognize it. Let it heal you. Listen to it. Listen to nature. Nature has sounds. Nature has feelings. Feel nature. Smell it. Nature has a smell. Taste it. Like I could taste, like, I don't know if it's the water or Even when it rains, stick your tongue out sometime and just taste the rain, the snowflakes when it snows. Right now I'm blessed to be able to enjoy the sun, feel the sunshine, feel the rays of the sun, the wind blowing. This is where you get to awaken all of your senses in nature. Don't just fly past it. Don't just zoom through it. Immerse yourself in it so we can help to transform you, to transform your heart, to transform your mind, to transform your spirit, to transform your soul, and to ultimately transform your life. All right, my divine goddess, I pray that this video was helpful and healing for you. If it was, please leave a comment down below. Please subscribe to this channel as I continue to help this channel grow. I'll try to post more content on here. But remember, you are a divine goddess. And goddesses don't act like the rest of the world. You are in the world, but you're not of the world. You are set apart. You are chosen. You are a chosen being. So immerse yourself where God has created great things. Where God is in nature. Come out. Come out of your house. Come out of your job. Come out of your car and sit amongst the trees, the grass, the birds, the leaves, the clouds, the sun, the wind, the ducks, the swans, the turtles, the fish. Sit amongst that, the squirrels, maybe the raccoons. Sit there and be immersed in God's love. All right, my friends, peace, love, and blessings. Until next time, love and light.